rich culinary heritage of Tamil Nadu. Welcome to our journey through the vibrant and diverse culinary history of Tamil Nadu. This southern Indian state is renowned for its rich cultural heritage, and its cuisine is a reflection of centuries of tradition, regional influences, and the bounty of its fertile lands. Ancient roots. Tamil Nadu's culinary history dates back to ancient times, with references found in Sangam literature, which describes the 5 landscapes of ancient Tamil land: Kurinji, mountainous region; Mulai, forest region; Marutham, agricultural land; Natal, seashore; and Palai, deserted land. Each region contributed unique ingredients and dishes to Tamil cuisine. Influence of dynasties. Over the centuries, various dynasties such as the Cholas, Pandyas, and Marathas have left their mark on Tamil Nadu's cuisine. The Cholas, known for their extensive trade networks, introduced new spices and cooking techniques. The Marathas of Tanjore brought their own flavors, enriching the local cuisine with dishes like the famous Tanjore Marathi Sambar. Staples and signature dishes. Rice is the staple food of Tamil Nadu, and it forms the base of many traditional dishes. A typical Tamil meal includes rice, sambar, rasam, curd, and a variety of vegetable preparations like poriyal and kottu. Signature dishes such as idli, dosa, pongal, and vada are enjoyed not just in Tamil Nadu but across India. Festive foods festivals play a significant role in Tamil culture, and food is an integral part of these celebrations. Pongal, the harvest festival, is marked by the preparation of the dish pongal, made from freshly harvested rice. Other festive dishes include payasam, a sweet dessert made with milk and rice, and various types of vadai and a palam. Regional variations. Tamil Nadu's cuisine varies significantly across its regions. The Chettinad region is famous for its spicy and aromatic non-vegetarian dishes, while the Kongunadu region is known for its unique use of millets and pulses. Coastal areas like Chennai and Nagapattinam offer a variety of seafood delicacies. Tamil Nadu's cuisine is a testament to its rich history and cultural diversity. From the ancient Sangam era to modern times, the food of Tamil Nadu continues to evolve, delighting taste buds with its unique flavors and traditions. Whether you're enjoying a simple meal of rice and sambar or indulging in a festive feast, Tamil Nadu's culinary heritage is sure to leave a lasting impression.